If you've been following the Northern Colorado real estate scene, you probably noticed that there's a lot of different things happening in the market right now. So there's the big trend right now where sellers are taking bold steps to really stand out in this competitive market. So what are they doing? They're lowering prices as well as other things, and here's why it matters to you. Sellers understand the urgency in this market and they want to make sure that their house stands out. By lowering these prices, they're not only attracting more potential buyers to their home, but they're also creating fantastic opportunities for you, the buyer. But wait, there's more. It's not just about lowering prices. Sellers are going the extra mile to help you as the buyer to get in the game here. Closing costs are expensive, and the sellers are helping with that aspect. They're offering money to you as a buyer to help with those closing costs, but they're also doing one other thing that is kind of cool right now because our interest rates are so high. These sellers are saying, we've got you covered. This means more money in your pocket as a buyer. Sellers are getting so creative. One of the things that they're doing for you as a buyer is they are buying down your rate. What that means is, what exactly is a mortgage buy down? That's what we're talking about here. Well, a mortgage buy down is just a financial arrangement where somebody, in this case, it's usually the seller, or it could be anybody as far as that goes, but it's the seller is paying money upfront for you, the buyer, to buy your interest rate from a 7% down to a 6.5 or 6%, or depends on how much they're willing to spend, to buy that rate down. The money that they contribute to this loan to buy this rate down typically is just for a few years. This is a fantastic strategy to help you as a buyer lower your monthly payments. Cool thing is that sellers are recognizing this affordability issue that we have right now. So here are a couple reasons why sellers would do this for you. One, it attracts more buyers to their house. If they can give you an incentive to go look at their house, then the chances of them selling it are higher to them. Two, they know that there's an affordability issue and that the interest rates are high. So buyers benefit from a lower monthly payment, so they might be able to afford more if they do this for you. And the third reason why they are doing this is because it gives them a competitive edge. In this competitive market, we're still in a seller's market. So sellers can use this buy down strategy to show you, the buyer, that they're really serious about selling their house. So let's kind of break down how a buy down actually works. So the seller or another contributor pays a lump sum amount to the lender. The lender then uses this money to reduce that interest rate for a period of time. Usually it's 1 to 2 years. I've seen it up to 3 years, but it's usually 1 or 2 years. After that period, the interest rate typically adjusts back up to the original rate. So if you were originally supposed to get a 7% loan and the seller paid down your rate so that it was 6% for the first 1 or 2 years, after that 1 or 2 years, then the interest rate would go back to 7%. So when you qualify for this loan, you actually have to qualify for that 7% because that is what you eventually are going to be paying. However, in our market, let's hope that the interest rate goes back down and you'll be able to refinance and keep that rate lower where you're used to at the 1 or 0.5% down. These buy down rates aren't for everybody, so it's a good idea for you to talk to your lender and other people, realtors, how it actually works, and if it is a good fit for you. Your lender's the one that's going to be actually able to tell you the best if this opportunity that the seller's giving you is the best option for you. So now are you wondering, okay, how long can I put off doing this? How long is this opportunity going to last? Well, who knows, folks? The real estate market's been crazy, and now it's a little on the flat side. So who knows how long this opportunity is going to last? But I do know that there's not multiple buyers out there. We're not bidding over as much. Occasionally I have been seeing it. And so how long is it going to last? Who knows? You might want to act now, because tomorrow it might be different. I'll show you just exactly kind of what's going on in the market right now here in northern Colorado. The clock is ticking, so don't wait too long. If you're in the market to buy a home right now, then you might strike now while the iron's hot. Sellers are lowering prices. They're paying closing costs. They are paying buy downs for you for your interest rates. So all this is happening right now, and if you're ready to take advantage of these fantastic opportunities, reach out to me, Margaret Herdt at Turnkey Realty, and we'll make that real estate dream come true for you. So don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below. Or if you have a video request, put that in the comments below too. I'm always up for a suggestion. So stay tuned for more updates from northern Colorado. And until next week, I'll see you then.